Want a fresh new look for your Android TV? Here's a step-by-step guide to switching to a custom launcher using official and safe methods. Step 1. Launch Google Play Store. Open the Google Play Store directly on your Android TV. Step 2. Search for a custom launcher. Look up a third-party launcher app such as Project Ivy Launcher or Nova Launcher. Both are highly rated and work well with Android TV. Step 3. Download and install. Once you've chosen your launcher, click on it and press install to begin downloading. Step 4. Launch the new app. After installation, open the launcher app. It may ask for permissions and follow the prompts to allow it to be used as your launcher. Next, you have to set it as your default launcher. Navigate to Settings, Apps, then Default Apps or Home app depending on your TV model. Choose your new launcher as the default home screen. Step 6. Confirm your choice. Confirm the change so your TV will now use the new launcher interface by default. Finally, Step 7. Customize your experience, which is an optional step. Explore your new launcher settings to tweak wallpapers, app arrangements, and themes for a personalized look and feel. Disclaimer: this method is completely legal. It only uses approved apps and built-in Android TV settings. It doesn't involve any hacking, unauthorized tools, or warranty-breaking steps. This guide follows YouTube's terms of service and is meant for educational use only. And that would be all for this guide. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.